police outside Mbare Magistrates Court where the sentence has been delivered. The sentence was as follows: 18 months imprisonment with 7 months wholly suspended on condition that I do not commit a similar crime in the next 5 years, and 11 months have been converted to 385 hours of community service at Marlborough Clinic, where I'm supposed to start tomorrow at 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. for the next 12 weeks. Personally, I feel that this is a punishment by the regime to silence activists, to ensure that we don't have time to be strategizing, and to be ensuring that the rights of the masses are adhered to in this country. And as such, I'm going to appeal against this sentence, as I am innocent. What I am wearing today is exactly what I was wearing the day I got arrested. I was wearing a dress and 5-inch heels. Even the policemen themselves, they were asking themselves, this woman wearing a dress was protesting. It just doesn't make sense. There's no person who goes to protest wearing a dress. But I was a victim of circumstance, as I've naturally become the soft spot of ZRP and the regime. And as such, this is expected in a repressive state, in an oppressive state. They want to punish, they want to frustrate, they want to depress, so that we stop speaking out. I will not stop exercising freedom of expression because it is my constitutional right. I will not stop speaking out about the ills in this country because it is my constitutional right. As Zimbabwe is a constitutional democracy, I will keep on fighting for our rights, and I will keep on trying to ensure that our rights are upheld. I believe that a new Zimbabwe is possible. I believe that we can have a democratic, just, fair and equal Zimbabwe for all Zimbabweans with equal opportunities. I will appeal against this sentence. I will start the community service, though it is going to be very difficult for me since I still have 2 other pending court cases. And these other 2 pending court cases, almost every week I'll be remanded, and I would have to be running to Mutare, back to community service. I would have to be going to Rottenburg and back to community service, and I've been told that every time I do that I have to be collecting letters, giving them letters, and also we just have to do what's there right now, but we will not stop speaking out, and I will not stop standing up for the people's rights and being the voice of the voiceless. I am bold, I am courageous, and I'll continue like that. I will not let my spirits be killed because I believe in a better Zimbabwe.